Hello children, welcome to the SST class. Today we will discuss about chapter 14. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 83. Chapter 14, Kolkata. Children, you know, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It is located in east of India and the third largest city of India. The old name of Kolkata was Calcutta. The city is situated on the east bank of river Hooghly. It is a branch of river Ganga. Then the history of Kolkata. When the British came to India, Kolkata was made of 3 villages. They are Sutanuti, Govindpur and Kalikata. In about 1698, the British formed the city and named it Kolkata. They formed a company called East India Company. The place where the rivers join the sea was named by the British as Diamond Harbour. It is the oldest Indian seaport established by the British in 1870. However, in 1911, British shifted their capital to Delhi from Kolkata. In Delhi chapter also we read about that. In 1911, our capital shift Kolkata to Delhi. Then climate. The Kolkata city enjoys a mild climate. Means children, neither very hot in summer and nor very cold in winter, as it is located near the coast of Bay of Bengal. It rains during monsoon seasons from June to September. The general weather is warm and humid. Industrial or economic development. Kolkata is the most important industrial city in eastern India. The main industries in and around the city are jute, cotton, silk textiles, paper, tea packing, rubber, chemicals, electrical goods, footwear, etc. Then tourist attractions. Fort William and Victoria Memorial are in the heart of the city. Then Howrah Beach is the main attraction to see. It is on the Hooghly River. It is called the Hanging Bridge as it has no pillars to support it. It is now been renamed as Rabindra Setu. So nowadays Howrah Beach is known as Rabindra Setu. The National Library is the biggest library in India. Trams and double-decker buses can also be seen on the city road. Kolkata has an underground railway system called Metro. It is India's first city to have metro rail services. Howrah and Silda are the main railway stations and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is the airport with world-class facilities. This airport was earlier called Dum Dum Airport. The Birla Planetarium, Salt Lake Stadium, Science City, Indian Botanical Garden, Alipur Zoo, Rabindra Sarovar and Belur Math are some of the main tourist attractions. The main shopping centers are in New Market, Park Street and Korangi Road. The people of Kolkata are fond of painting, singing and other arts. At a very young age, traditional folk dances and classical dance form are taught to the children. It is therefore called the culture capital of India. So, Kolkata is known as culture capital of India. Rabindranath Tagore, the great poet who wrote our national anthem, Mother Teresa, who sacrificed her life for the poor people, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, a famous poet and writer who had written the national song Bande Mataram, and Swami Vivekananda, the great social and religious leader, belongs to this city. So children, our national anthem had written by Rabindranath Tagore and Vande Mataram, which is our national song, had written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. You remember. Then people, food and festivals. Bangla is the main language spoken by the people of Kolkata. Hindi and English are also spoken. So, three languages are spoken by Kolkata: Bangla, English and Hindi. People of Kolkata love food and sports. They enjoy eating rice and fish curry. The city is also known for its variety of delicious sweets. Rasgulla and sandesh are the local sweet dishes popular all over India. Football and cricket are the main sports liked by the people of this city. Eden Garden and Salt Lake Stadium are favorite sport places for the cricket lovers. Sourav Ganguly is the famous cricketer from Kolkata, though all festivals are celebrated in Kolkata. The most popular and important festival is Durga Puja or Kali Puja. It is considered as Dasahara in North India. This festival marks the victory of good over evil. People buy new clothes and exchange gifts with friends and relatives. So children, this is about your chapter 14. Again you read this lesson at your home. Thank you.